Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a creative and versatile product that's perfect for artistic projects, theater productions, Halloween costumes, and more. We're talking about the CALPALMY 14-pack paper match masks. Touted as one of the best white face mask costume options available in the market right now. These masks come in a pack of 14, offering two sizes, 7 large and 7 small, ensuring a universal fit for both adults and children. Made from high-quality paper match, these masks provide the perfect texture for painting and decorating. They are eco-friendly and non-toxic, which is always a plus. Let's talk about what makes these masks stand out. First, their versatility. Whether you're into theater, planning a masquerade party, or simply looking for a fun art project, these masks are your canvas. The surface texture is ideal for adding intricate details, colors, and textures to match any theme or character. From classroom art activities to professional theater productions, these masks are designed to inspire creativity. They're not just for wearing. They can also be hung as decorative pieces, making them a fantastic addition to any space. According to the reviews, customers love the quality and durability of these masks. They're easy to work with, and the included elastic fasteners make them comfortable to wear. Plus, with 14 masks in a pack, there's plenty of room for experimentation and learning. Now, let's dive into some practical tips. If you're using acrylic paints like the apple barrel acrylic paints recommended with these masks, here's how you can achieve vibrant colors and lasting designs. Start with a base coat, then layer on details using brushes or even mixed media for a unique look. In conclusion, the CALPALMY 14-pack paper match masks are a must-have for anyone who loves to express their creativity. Whether you're a teacher, an artist, or simply planning a themed party, these masks offer endless possibilities. They're affordable, eco-friendly, and designed to spark imagination. If you're interested in picking up a pack for yourself, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and creative ideas like this one. Thanks for watching.